Hey everyone, welcome to our quick guide on how to view your Bank of Baroda (BoB) passbook online in 2025. With digital banking getting smarter every year, this is a must-know skill for managing your finances on the go. Whether you're checking transactions for budgeting or just staying updated, we'll walk you through the steps in a simple, straightforward way. First, ensure you have the latest BoB mobile app installed on your smartphone. You can download it from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store if you haven't already. Once downloaded, open the app and log in using your registered username and password. If it's your first time, you'll need to register by entering your account details and verifying with an OTP sent to your mobile number. For added security in 2025, this process might include biometric verification like fingerprint or Face ID. After logging in, head to the Accounts or Passbook section on the dashboard. Here, you'll see a list of your accounts. Select the one you want to view. The passbook will display all your recent transactions, balances, and even filters for specific date ranges or transaction types. BoB has upgraded this feature in 2025 with AI-driven insights, like spending summaries and alerts for unusual activity. If you prefer using a computer, visit the official Bank of Baroda website, log into your net banking portal, and navigate to the passbook section from there. Remember, always enable two-factor authentication to keep your account safe from potential threats. One quick tip. After you're done, make sure to log out properly, especially on shared devices. If you run into any issues, the BoB customer support team is just a call or chat away through the app. There you have it. Viewing your BoB passbook online is now easier than ever. Give this video a like if it helped. Subscribe for more tech and banking tips, and let us know in the comments if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and stay financially savvy.